I seek sensual relations with you, Janet.
Fill me up like the holes in waffles.
You speak in such harsh tongues. Take me tender, then take me bold.
Do you want to nip on this and tell me it ain't tasty? I want to do things that hurt trees. Endanger my forest. Like now.
Your grotto is precious. If you allowed my trespass, I cannot guarantee that I will not fertilize your lawn.
Cut the Jane Austen shit. Are we gonna clack parts, or what?
Absolutely, my lust-encrusted bird. I take everything but Diners Club. I will leave it up to you to figure out where to swipe.
1 second, dude. Sorry, I gotta eject my lunch.
Very nice. Suitable. Yes. How is this possible? This is relunculous.
Rebel I gull heart, you sick bastard, go to bed.